Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be performing data analysis using Python. But before moving forward, I read a comment asking for a video on data analysis using Python. So thank you, and here it is. So to perform data analysis using Python, we'll be using Jupyter Notebooks and Pandas Library. So if you are new to Python and data analysis, and if you are not sure what Pandas is, so Pandas is basically a data analysis library, which is one of the most popular libraries which can be used with Python. To start off, we will have to first install the Pandas library. The code to install the library is pip install pandas. This is a benchmark code to install any library. For example, if you have to install a numpy or a matplotlib, the codes remain almost same. So you just have to press shift enter, and there you go. In my system, the library is already installed, so it will show as requirement already satisfied. But if you are installing it for the first time, a sequence of codes will run and the library will get installed. Second thing is, once the library is installed, we need to import it. So you can type import pandas as pd. So after importing the library, next step will be importing a dataset. For this project, we'll be using fraud-data.csv. This is a fraud data of bank or of banking customers. I'll give a link in the description so that you can download the data. So to import the data, we'll be making a data frame. Data frame is kind of a table in the Python terminology. So we'll be defining a data frame which is df, and now we'll be writing a command pd.read csv, and inside the parenthesis we'll be typing the name of our file, which is fraud data.csv. To check if the file is correctly imported, you can write df.head. So it gives you the top 5 rows of your data set to check if the data is correctly imported or not. So there we go. We have successfully imported the data set. So this was the first part and the introduction to data analysis using Python. So if you have any doubt till now, you can share your doubt in the comment section or on the mail ID of Scoop of Data. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next part of the video.